Hey guys, Nick here, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about logical functions. Let's have a look at our table and the problem definition. Here we have table with following columns: date, shop1 shift, shop2 shift, shop1 quantity, and shop2 quantity. Finally, we have shift match column with yellow cells. Table includes shift types and quantity sold for shop1 and shop2. Write down the formula in column F to get the following result. If shop1 and shop2 shifts are the same, then the result should be text same shifts. Otherwise, the result should be no match. So, in this tutorial, we need to talk about function named if. And it is very important that you completely understand how this function works, because in logical functions, everything is concentrated around the if function. Well, later on, Microsoft added some other functions like ifs, switch, and so on. However, if is the basics you need to know in order to then understand the ifs functions, which function, and function over function, and so on. So let's start writing if function and see what are the variables and how the function works. So let's stand on F2 and write equals if, and let's open the round bracket. So as you can see, if function has three variables: logical test, which is mandatory; value if true, which is not mandatory because it's in square brackets; and value if false, which is also not mandatory. Yeah. So in logical test, you should put some logical operation like one value is higher than another value, or one value equals another value, and so on. So logical test should include some logical operation which results in values true or false. Okay, then value if true. So in value if true, we should put our output we need to have if logical test result is true. So in logical test, we have logical operation which results in word true or in word false. Yeah. So if the logical test result is true, then we need to put some value into our final cell, which should be written in value if true. Yeah. And if the logical test value is false, we need to put the output of false value into value if false variable. So for our case, we had the comparison if shop1 and shop2 shifts are the same. So if B2 equals C2, yeah, this is our logical operation, which compares if shop1 shift is the same as shop2 shift. Yeah, comma or semicolon. So if this is true, so if evening equals to 24 hours, well, it does not equal, but when we fill down the formula, for example, for the 3rd of January, there's a match, yeah, 12 hours, yeah. So if this value equals this value, then our outcome should be same shifts, the words, yeah, same shifts. So in value if true, we need to put those two words. Those two words are textual symbols, so let's open the round bracket, put here same shifts, and close, open double quotes, put there same shifts and close double quotes, yeah, comma or semicolon, and otherwise the result should be no match. No match is also a textual symbol, and we need to put it in value if false. So open double quote, no match, and let's close double quotes. Finally, let's close the round bracket and, well, just revise our written formula. So if this value equals to this value, then write words same shifts, and if it's not the same, then write no match. That's it. Let's press enter. We have here no match because evening is not equal to 24 hours, yeah? Let's double click on black plus sign and check our results. No match, same shifts. Here no match, same shifts, because here is also night and night shifts, and so on. Well, basically that's it for this tutorial. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked solving this problem and want to have some more, check out my Udemy course with 500 Excel problems. It covers up to 100 functions, various Excel tools, building dashboards, and VBA coding. Link is in description.